My name is Lucian Laverick, and I'm from Kitchener, Ontario, Canada.
Well, my name is Mark, and I'm from Waterdown, Ontario.
And my name is Roxana Di Cusara, and I'm from Kitchener, Ontario. Our CS50x final project is called World Big Problems. This is a website used to list world problems that need to be solved.
Before we actually started working on this project, our team started brainstorming and making mind maps on what features and pages to add, as you can see right here. Then we had another diagram telling us what we would be adding to our database. And we also had an architectural diagram with all the components for the web application. We used GitHub for this project so that each of the members in this team could collaborate and share our work. We also used Beyond to Compare to merge our code so that everyone would be on the same page. After we got everything together, we started working on our website. We started programming with Python Flask. We used JavaScript and jQuery for some of our functions like register, getting months and projects for our chart, and when we were implementing our infinite scrolling.
We also used Bootstrap for different template designs, forms, and buttons for other pages.
So when you first go to the website, you see the index or the main page where all the projects are visible. Infinite scrolling was implemented to show all the projects in one page. So in the top right corner, you see two buttons, one to log in and one to sign up. If you already have an account, you just have to log in. But if you don't have an account, you can press the sign up button and that will direct you to a page where you get to create your own account. You will be asked to enter your first name, last name, email, username, password, and confirmation password. When you enter your username and a pop-up comes up, that means someone is already using that username. You will have to make up a new one. After you have entered all this information, you press Create Account, and you will be directed to the login page. Make sure you remember your username and password. After you have logged in, you will be directed back to the main page. There's a new icon on the top right corner that can direct you to the dashboard where all the analytics are, or you can just log out. So in the middle of the navigation bar, there are three tabs. There's the Home tab, which directs you back to the main page, the About tab, which directs you to the page that tells about the project and how it came to be, and the Contacts tab, which directs you to the information you need to contact us. The World Big Problems header also directs you back to the main page. For each project, there is a description box. It states an overview of what the problem is and ways you can help. And there is also an amount raised section where it tells you how much money people have raised for this cause. If you want, you can view the projects separately by clicking the View Project button. This will give you 3 images, the description, and will show you the start and end date. The start date is whenever the project started, and the end date is whenever the project possibly ended. To go back, you can either press the World Big Problems header or the Home tab. To donate, you can always click the Donate button and fill out your information. After you have filled everything in, you press Confirm.
This will lead you back to the home page.
To comment on a project, you'll have to sign in or make a Facebook account. If you want to get to the home menu, you click here, and you press Dashboard. From here, you'll see different charts and tables, which you can access by pressing these two buttons. The area chart, so this big one right here, will show you how much money was donated each month. The bar and pie chart underneath it, these two, will show you the money that like the most donated projects. It also, now if you go to the tables, it'll show you each project and their start and end date. Looking at this little sidebar here, you'll notice different tabs. The dashboard tab will lead you to this page. The main tab will lead you to the first page of all the products that I just covered. The add page will allow you to make new projects. My projects will show you all the projects that you have created in the past. And the profile tab will add you to a page where you can edit your profile. The payment profile is where you're going to be putting your payment information to be able to donate to these charitable causes. And the password tab is where you'll be able to change your password in case you forgot it or you just want to change it. Going back, the charts tab will lead you to the page that has all the charts and the table page that will lead you to a page that has the tables for each project, start and end date. Now, once you've reached the My Projects page, you will see two new buttons, Edit Project and Delete Project. The Edit Project will allow you to edit your project if it just load. You'll be able to change the text and the name and the start date, end date, and the photos you used. But once you change it, you won't be able to get it back. When you go to the Add Project page, you'll be able to add a project to our database. You have to add a name, project description, the start and end date, and 3 images, preferably from Pixabay. After you press confirm, you'll be directed back to the main page. If not, it'll just tell you to fill out this field.